Hi, this is Pavitra, integrated nutritionist and holistic healthcare practitioner. My channel Health Support 360 welcomes you all. This is Immune Boosting Superfood series, and today's topic is garlic. Let's see the incredible benefits of garlic. Garlic is known as a particularly aromatic vegetable. It's considered a superfood, ranking second in health benefits to turmeric, and is known to prevent major health conditions like heart disease, cancer, and stroke. The compound allicin and allinase combines to release allicin, the sulfur compound, when the garlic is peeled, chopped, or minced. It fights against bacteria and viruses. It plays a vital role in preventing common cold, cough, and other upper respiratory tract infections like asthma, and also reduces the symptoms like shortness of breath. Tonsillitis is a common medical condition among the children of age group, say 5 to 15 years. So they have sore throat, ear pain, and even fever as the symptoms and signs. So garlic juice can be mixed with equal amount of honey and should be taken for maybe 7 to 10 days early in the morning in the empty stomach. This can help in increasing the immune system of the body and can fight the infection, and the symptoms can be reduced. Garlic controls blood cholesterol, reduces the total cholesterol and the triglyceride levels, and increases the good cholesterol, namely the high density lipoproteins. It enhances the microcirculation and prevents blood clotting. Garlic juice with amla juice, both 10 ml in quantity, mixed with honey when taken for 3 months continuously, can reduce the blood pressure. Garlic regulates blood sugar. It stimulates the beta cells of pancreas to release insulin and makes the body insulin sensitive. Garlic prevents hardening of the arteries and protects heart. It increases the metabolism and helps in weight management. The phytoestrogenic compound in garlic functions similar to the natural estrogen found in our bodies. Estrogen is a hormone. So it minimizes the bone degeneration in menopausal women and reduces the risk of osteoporosis. Garlic helps in heavy metal detoxification. It stimulates the breast milk secretion in lactating mothers. Garlic acts as a natural galactagogic. The allium family vegetables like garlic, onions, scallops, and leeks have a powerful impact on preventing cancer. Just 10 grams of this allium family vegetables can reduce the risk into half. Say 1 tablespoon of chopped onions or just 3 cloves of garlic can reduce the risk of cancer into half. Our body has inbuilt mechanism to prevent cancer. Our cells have innate intelligence to commit suicide when the DNA is damaged beyond repair. This is called as the programmed cell death. But in cancer cells, they lose this innate intelligence and they cannot or they do not undergo this suicidal programmed cell death. This is where garlic comes into play. Garlic can reprogram the cells and helps in reducing the risk of cancer growth. Did you like this video? Give it a thumbs up if you did. Do not forget to share and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.